Good day everyone, I'm Christian David Shilangquist, BSIH Mahalo, Group 2. Topic assigned, Filipino Grievances Against Food. The Governor General of the Philippines has issued Executive Order No. 37, declaring the laws defining the power of Board of Controlnalities and stating that he will exercise this power solely. The order, based on opinion from the Judge Advocate General of United States Army and Acting Advocate General, but withheld until November 10, allowing the legislature to consider the matter, when repealed, annulled, or declared unconstitutionally by the court. To hold the Governor General can set them aside executive order to subvert constitutional government system and destroy the theory separation of powers. The constitutional representative of Filipino people have met to discuss the difficulties in government and determine the best way to preserve the supremacy of laws and safeguard the right liberties of the people. They have faith in the sense of justice of United States people and are calling for a vindication of the rights. The Filipino denounce of the Government General's action as arbitrary, oppressive, and undemocracy, appealing to judgment and convince the American people for justification. The Governor General, not satisfied with this and other capricious action, has lately issued Executive Order No. 37, which states that the legislation, establishment, and outlining the Board of Control's authority, which has the authority to cast votes in government-owned shares in specific private companies, include complete nullities. The Governor General further said the same decree that he would only and on his own authority, responsibility arising on said board. The executive order in question is said to be, according to a judgment issued by U.S. Army's Judge Advocate General, Acting Advocates General, confronting of opinion on November 7, in spite everything he has discovered it easy to wait until November publish his order.